sun forever. Look at it, it looks so different without the water. Huh?
Finally made it.
Yeah, I can do it.
There we go. This article bin. Yay, will we get on the ride finally?
Okay.
Alright, backwards sky screamer. Let's see how this is. Wow. Oh man, this is actually a little terrifying now. The question is, do I look down? Do I look down? Whoa! Oh, and now the wind is starting to play with us a little bit. Ah! Oh, now we're going full speed. Looks like Cyclone's line got a little bit shorter. I have to hop on over. Imagine what this must look like when the fall foliage comes in. Oh man, that must be incredible.
Thank you for riding the New England Sky Screamer. Come to a complete and final stop before attempting to get out of the swing. Once the ride stops, please unbuckle your safety strap, lift up the lap bar, exit out towards the front of the ride. Thank you, and enjoy your day at Six Flags, the thrill capital of New England.